ask you some questions, if that's okay, about the program and like your experience. Um, so before you started working with me, what was your health, nutrition, and fitness? What did they look like?
I mean, before I started working with you, I didn't know in terms of what I could do to improve my health and, in terms of my fitness and in terms of my sleep as well. But like after speaking to you, like I've gotten better ideas and how to like execute it.
Yeah.
And in terms of fitness as well, you've helped me in terms of exercise and what exercises I should do to help myself be the best.
Mm-hmm. And what were your biggest issues with nutrition and fitness before you started?
It was just what to do in that area, what to do, what to eat, what's the best thing to eat, what's basically
Yeah.
what to do.
And because you can always search online, but
Yeah.
there are so many conflicting information, and how do you know what's the right thing for you? Because everyone is also different
Yeah,
and it requires different things that
yeah,
are gonna work for them. Because just because something worked for one person doesn't mean it's gonna work for you.
yeah.
So
That's
what else did you try before starting my plan?
I tried what's called intermittent fasting
Yeah,
in terms of that you eat in a certain window and then you don't eat. I tried doing that, but I couldn't like manage it
yeah.
before I started your plan, which is much more um like efficient.
hmm And so before starting the plan, what were your biggest worries or fears about it?
That it would not go through, like I would not be able to stick with it, and then like, it
Hmm.
would not be like good basically. But there were times when I've not stuck with it and then you've been there telling me like it's okay.
Of course, it's
Like
okay, life
it's just a
happens.
phase. So it's you've been yeah, you've been very supportive in that matter and not like penalize me in terms of like you need to do it, you need to do it.
Oh, thank
So
you. I
you've
try
been
to be
great.
there.
Thank you.
And so how did you get over your
Yeah.
fears?
Just like having these weekly calls and filling out the check form kind of makes you reflect as to what you've been doing.
Hmm.
So I feel like that has helped me.
And so what was your main reason to start working with me in the first place?
It's just I didn't know what to eat, and with working out, I know now what to eat.
Yeah. So how did you
I have a good.
feel? Sorry. So how did you feel the moment when you decided to start the plan?
I felt very proud of myself. I was like, I'm finally taking the steps to do something about it. So yeah, it
Yeah,
was
it's
quite
like
nice.
finally taking control, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And so how much weight did you lose in total during our time together, would you say?
I would
Like
say like
6 kilos or so?
um yeah, 6 kilos, yeah.
That's great.
So
And
that's
you will
good.
continue to lose as long as you keep sticking to the plan and doing the things.
Yeah.
And aside from losing weight, what did your transformation allow you to do in life? Any positive changes that have happened?
So in terms of like just having more confidence, you know,
Hmm.
be feeling less anxious and just being able to go about.
Yeah. And you said about the vaping, you've managed to stop that as well.
Yes, that's after yeah. So that's also helped me.
So you did
to like
have
quit.
a habit to vape, but you stopped it now, which is amazing. And
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. Well
Yes.
done.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
And last question, what would you say to people who are thinking about starting the plan and working with me, that they might be in a similar position to yourself, but are still unsure to take the leap?
I would tell them to go ahead and just take it because it is worthwhile
Mhm.
and it will open their minds into like a possibility that this can actually happen and that to like speak with you and because you're like very supportive in terms of the changes that they might see.
Yeah, of course. That's amazing.
Yeah.
And yeah, thank you so much as well for taking this journey for yourself and showing up for yourself. This is very important. You've done the biggest steps is just showing up for yourself and trying your best and being kind to yourself. If you don't do everything perfectly, because we're all humans, we don't do everything perfectly, even though it might seem like that from social media and social pressure and all that. But nobody's perfect. So you've done very well.